Good morning. I'm going to show you how to remove these brown spots in your cups and your travel mug too. For your travel mugs, we're going to use one of these detergent pods. We'll put them in the mug. We are going to pour boiling water inside our travel mug and let it sit for about an hour. Put a tablespoon of bleach in each cup. We're going to take our boiling water and cover it till the top and let it soak for about 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and I'm pouring the bleached water in a bowl and I will use that to clean the sink. Look how better that looks. Look how clean and shiny it looks. Rinse well your cups and travel mug. That's all for now, and don't forget to look at all the other videos, how to clean a burnt pot, how to clean a filter from the oven hood, and how to clean the oven range. Please subscribe and join me for more. Thank you for joining me.